let's start with new structure. The first structure is I am good at in spoken English. So we are learning here spoken English. So many structures are there. I am going to start with the structure I am good at. I am good at. What is this structure? Let's see. This structure is used to express someone about your talents, strengths, abilities, and skills. So let's see what is the structure. This structure will be like this. I am good at plus V1 plus ing plus something. I am good at plus V1 plus ing plus something. Structure like this also. How I am good at plus noun. I am good at plus noun. So, for example, I am good at playing piano. I am good at playing piano. I am good at speaking French. I am good at learning any language. I am good at cooking Thai food. I am good at cooking Thai food. I am good at drawing landscapes. I am good at playing basketball. I am good at writing poetry. I am good at writing poetry. I am good at singing songs sweetly. I am good at coding in Java. I am good at coding Java. I am good at playing chess. I am good at playing chess. Just a minute. I am good at playing chess. I am good at fixing electronics. I am good at fixing. I am good at dancing salsa. I am good at public speaking. If you notice, I am using after good at V1 plus ing form. Every sentence has V1 plus ing form. As I told you before, I am good at plus V1 plus ing form. So in this manner, I have written all these sentences. Now let's see the second one. I am good at plus noun. I am good at plus noun. Okay. So these both ways are right. We can use in any way. Okay. Now let's see. I am good at English. I am good at tabla. I am good at drawing. I am good at dancing. Here you don't think these are ing forms. These are nouns. Dancing, drawing, these are nouns. These are nouns. Okay. I am good at chess. Here I have used playing chess. Playing chess. But here I am using only chess. I am good at. After good at, we have to use noun. After good at, we have to use noun. Okay. Next. I am good at cricket. I am good at anything. Okay. So this is the way we can use. Here, after good at, we have to use only noun. I am using only noun. See if you notice here, after 13 sentence, I am good at English, I am good at tabla, I am good at drawing, I am good at dancing, I am good at chess, I am good at cricket, I am good at anything. Okay. So in this way, you can write in both ways. One is I am good at after ing form, and another way is I am good at after noun. Okay. Now let's see. I am good at writing. I am good at writing short stories. I am good at playing tennis. I am good at playing tennis. I am good at photography. I am good at analyzing data. I am good at analyzing data. I am good at making cocktails. I am good at creating websites. I am good at creating websites. Okay, so in this way we can use this structure. What is the structure? I am good at structure. I am good at. I am good at. Okay, fine. Thank you.